In this video, I'm going to show you how to add captions to your videos in CapCut on PC. So the first thing you want to do is start a new project. Then you want to look to the top left corner and select Import. And then we're going to select the video you want to add captions to and go to Open. So this is going to add the video to your project. Then you want to left click on that video and drag it down to the video track. Now I already have a video here, so what I'm going to do is left click on that video. Then we're going to look to the top left corner and you should see an option that says text. So go ahead and select that. And then take a look to the left sidebar and you should see something that says auto captions. So we're going to select that and then go to auto captions. Now this is going to recognize your speech in the video and generate auto captions. Just be sure to select the correct language and then go to create. Now, CapCut does a really great job at recognizing the speech and putting out these captions. However, it does make mistakes. So the first thing we're going to be doing is selecting captions here. And this is where you'll see all of the text. So you just want to have a read through and ensure that there's no spelling errors or incorrect words. And you can change them by simply left clicking on it. And then it's just a matter of typing in what it's supposed to be. Now, when it comes to if certain captions are a little bit longer than others and you want to split them up. So for example, this last sentence has a couple more words than all the other sentences. What we're going to be doing is left clicking on it. And then it's just a matter of moving over and pressing enter, and it cut them in half just like that. So now let's go to text because this is where we're going to customize our fonts. So here we go. Make sure to select apply to all because you want it all to be the same. Then it's just a matter of scrolling down and selecting the font that you want. Now, by default, it's going to be on system. They offer a lot of different fonts on here. I'm going to go with Montserrat, but it's totally up to what you use. Then we're going to scroll down a little bit and you can underline text, you can bold text. As far as position size and position on the actual video goes, that's going to be 100% personal preference. Now, when it comes to long form videos, I like using -930 for the position. It just puts it in a really good spot, but it's going to depend on your video. So now we're going to scroll down a little bit, and this is where you can add things like stroke, a background, glow, a shadow to your text. Me personally, I like turning on stroke and either going with the default or I like to increase the thickness. And as you can see on the video track, now it's very easy to read these captions if I go up all the way. But I like to go somewhere between 50 and 60 for the thickness of the stroke. Now we're going to be taking a look at templates. We just went through basics, so that's where you customize it yourself. Let's now go to templates. So this is where you'll find a bunch of different captions where it has animations on it, where it has certain colors on them. So why don't I show you one, for example? We're going to select this one by left clicking on it. This is the point in the video where you can left click on all these and test them all out, see if you like any of them, and you could just leave it that way. So look how it changes the last word in our caption to different colors, and it also comes in a little bit different by the animation. So now what we're going to be doing is selecting all of these captions again, and you can test out all of these caption templates if you'd like. And if we scroll down a little bit, there's also effects, so you can change the way the fonts actually look. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one, for example. It looks like it has a little nice gradient on it. Or we'll go with this glowy one because it's very apparent. So there you can see it's changed it up. And if we go back to basic, you can also change the font as well with this new effect. So I'm going to go back to Montserrat, and you'll notice the font's a little bit small, so we're actually going to be increasing this a little bit. And as far as some other things you could change, animation. So you'll notice right now, if I play this, the captions, as much as they look nice, there's not really much to them beyond just appearing on the screen and disappearing. So we're now going to select all of these captions, and we're going to go to animation beside text. Now this, again, is very customizable. Test all these out. Me personally, one of my favorites is bounce in. So I'm going to left click on this animation. And you can also reduce the speed down here. And I'm going to scroll this down a little bit, or you can speed it up as well. I'm going to speed it up a little bit. And now when we play it again, it's going to jump right at you just like that. So hopefully this video was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.